Hey guys, welcome back. Listen, this is gonna be according to our agenda. Um, part no, we are done with part 3, so this is gonna be part 4, and we're still busy with version updates feature. So please make sure that you follow along. We're not done with it yet. All right. So my name, of course, is Tumitadi. Welcome to my world of programming. If this is the very first time that you're bumping into this video, please, I'm gonna recommend that you check out this YouTube channel of mine. It's a personal one. You'll find it very helpful, and all the videos that I have made so far regarding mentoring and teaching, like what to expect, you'll find all the videos on YouTube. You're gonna watch them uninterrupted, right? So we're still busy with please go and watch part 3. According to agenda, yes, we're done with part 3. This is part 4, right? We're doing a live demo on iOS. I'm not gonna go back to what we did previously. Please go and watch it there. If this is something that you like and you wanna learn more, you want me to explain what do I do in these situations, what did I do to overcome that, all of that. Listen, it's a very interesting thing to program. I can teach you for 25 Rand per session. That session is a full hour where you're in control, that I show you something, you ask questions on Microsoft Teams any day from Monday to Friday from 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. Sounds good? Let's go. So now, previously we said, listen, this it's now gonna be ready for public. So let me go and make sure that this becomes public again with a check, checking that checkbox, right? I'm saying the new version that promises to fix the bugs, the new version that promises to increase performance and to add new things. Users should know about it, right? So this guy now should notify the users that there's a new version available as soon as now I launch the app. So let's say you are launching it, you've been busy with it yesterday or last week or 2 days ago, it doesn't matter. But as soon as you click the continue button on setup page, you're going to check, hey, is there a new version that I should be aware of? Is there a new update? Do you understand? If there is one, I am prompting the user to say, listen, for your sake, it's better that you go and update it. Do you understand? We've covered this in the previous part of the video, which is part 3, right? So I just want to show you that I can tamper with that. When is it ready for the users? Remember this, it'll be something I'm busy with locally, which is the new version, and now I've just decided, listen, it's perfect, it should go, it's ready, right? So this is what the user will see to say, before you continue, you're gonna click here. I'll show you with Android, right, of how it looks like, and then all of that. I'll show that to you. Okay, good. So but then what happens now if we say no, we're not ready for this new version to be publicly out there? I just come here, edit, uncheck, save. That's all I do. As a programmer, it may have seemed at first to be a lot of work, but I enjoy doing this because I have now control power of it. You see now it says false. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this app from the memory, kill it, relaunch it again. Do you understand? And it's gonna check, hey, is there a new version available? If there is it meant to be public? If not, okay, no, let's continue, because there isn't it's not meant to be public, but the end user won't know that, like right now what I'm simulating with a live demo, right? So let's give it a couple of seconds. There we go. You see, they'll continue with their business. Sounds good? So this is a version update. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop using iOS, and I'm gonna go for Android. So let me close that. Let me stop this guy. Let me switch to mobile. Then let me choose this guy, and let me launch it. In fact, I don't need for it to fully load. I just need for this guy to show up, and that's all I care about. The emulator, there we go. It's booting up. It's coming. Boom. There we go. Okay, it's ready for me. Let's give it a couple of seconds. All right. So this time I'm gonna show with the Android. Come on, Android, be quick. Yeah, it's coming. Come on. So like I said, this is something that was inspired the first time when I saw YouTube, that it can just interrupt me without me going further. Launching the app, about 3 to 5 seconds, if not 7 seconds, they told me about this family plan of them. I should check it out, that filled the whole screen. I was like, I like that. Maybe this is a way for us to get the users to do, let me stop, a way for us to get the users to do what, to when we have a critical bug that we need them, we just say, listen, before you continue, we're gonna need you to do that. So, do you understand? Right, so let me launch the app. Here it is. Okay, so this time we're working with Android, right? I don't need this guy. We just need to do what? Refresh this site, and I'm gonna get rid of this guy. But let's keep it here. So for Android, it's currently on Google Play Store, the app. You can check out the app. Here it is, Lessons Handy Tips. So the current version that I released on the 31st of August, it's version 228. So according to our version updates, it's live right now. Yes, it's live. I can't tamper with this guy. I can only add a new version, right? So is it done? Come on. There we go. All right. So as soon as I click continue, let's give it a couple of seconds. What is it going to do? It's going to check for new updates, and it's going to tell us, hey, there is something in there. What version is it? Before even what version is it, according to this guy, it's going to ask, is the version public or not? Here it is. Is the version public or not? If it's not public, then let's go to a startup page, right? Like this. There we go. It's now on startup page, which is the current version 228, build number 50, right? There we go. Right. So what happens if I fix a critical bug on Android, only for Android? You see, only for Android. So what I will need to do, I will say, listen, we're gonna add a new one, which is a 229, the next update, because I need to be sequentially smart. So v2_2_9. The platform is gonna be Android. It's not gonna be public yet, but I can make it public and say instantly it should be available, and say this is Dumitladi showing of this new feature of version updates. Save. What is saving? I'm going to relaunch the app. Remove this guy, close it, it's gone, relaunch. I'll come back to it. Is this guy done? Come on, are you done? You see, instantly I said, okay, yes, this one is good to go. It's gonna be publicly out there, right? Version 229. So let's wait for the app. Come on. So all of this I can show you for 25 Rand on how I built my system and what was the expectation, So as soon as I click continue, we give it a couple of seconds, it's gonna know that there's a new version, and then you need to click an icon of Google Play Store, and then you'll update the app with the new version that's available. So this was a fun thing. All my apps right now, I have a new app, I'm still busy with it. They have to have a version update. It's a critical thing for me, because sometimes as a developer you made a mistake. Sometimes you are lazy to test your app. Sometimes you are lazy to debug. So what you want to do is not what you're expecting to get. Right? Sounds good. 25 Rand per session for a full hour, any day from Monday to Friday, from 8 p.m. until 9 p.m. And there we go. A minute ago, exactly what I wrote, it's popping up. Make sense? Thank you.